Today I'm on location with Heck Fencing, a local contractor installing a steel panel fence with a wood frame using the mix and hole method with PIVIT fence set. This method is great for both speed and precision.
Start by digging your holes below the frost line, about 4 inches wider than your post. Set your first wood post and let it firm up slightly. This becomes your reference point for the entire fence line. Attach your steel panel to that first post, then place the next wood post into the hole and secure it to the panel. This helps position everything accurately as you go. Use your string line and level to keep everything straight. Panel systems don't leave room for error. Once aligned, add 2 bags of PIVIT fence set, then pour in about 5.6 liters or 1.5 gallons of water right in the hole, no premixing needed. Use a rod or tool to mix everything right in the hole, working it all the way down to the bottom, and make sure that there are no dry pockets. Keep the post straight, let it set, then move on to the next section and repeat the process down the line.
Using PIVIT fence set, you'll have faster installs, consistent workflow, and straight, reliable results.